So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about BPCL share. So there are many questions related to this particular stock. So we know today the stock has given some very good positive momentum. So yesterday was the AGM. So what was the major outcome that the company has given? So we'll try to understand each and everything in detail. So there are few important points. If you want to invest in this particular stock, you need to understand all the major updates which are moving around the company. And also we'll do the technical analysis to find out the next possible levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so first discussing about the major updates about the company. So we know recently the company has declared the dividend of 58 rupees per share, and after that we know we have significantly seen the stock has also corrected and it has even come to 415 rupees level. So recently, that is yesterday, the annual general meeting of BPCL was successfully completed, and the chairman of the company they have given few important statements related to disinvestment, followed by the 1 lakh crore money which they are going to infuse. So first, coming to disinvestment. So we know recently also the finance minister has told that by December end they're planning to do the disinvestment, but again now they have told that by March end successfully this particular disinvestment would be completed. So whatever the privatization you are hearing, so that is one of the important thing that you need to remember. So by March 2022, so this is important thing and important month, and before that they're expecting so this particular process to be completed. So when that happens, significantly the stock also should go upside. So many people are expecting 600, 650. So it will reach or not, we can't decide, but we will decide on technical basis and my point of view to what would be the maximum extent the stock would reach. So this is the first point related to disinvestment. So what is the second thing? So that also we'll try to discuss. Okay, so the second most important thing that the chairman of BPCL, so he has told that they will plan to invest around 1 lakh crore towards diversification. So this is very important thing. So coming to this particular segment, especially all the OMCs, so we know in the coming years so how this particular business would be present. So there only, so the company has given a very important statement that so they will try to convert a greater volume of crude oil into petrochemicals. So this is a very good statement by the company, and ultimately so cleaner fuels. So when this particular statement comes, so ultimately it is creating a very positive outlook for the company, and especially he has also told for both conventional fuel as well as for emerging electric vehicle segment. So they're planning for this particular diversification. Okay, so these are the two important statements so that the company's management have given on 27th of September. So coming to when would the dividend amount would be declared. So this is also important question. So by next month, so definitely it will be credited into your bank account. So don't worry. So after the AGM, within few days, your money would be credited. So that depends. So most probably by next month, definitely it will be credited. And apart from that, BPCL has also told that they are going to set up 1,000 megawatt infrastructure for renewable power generation. So that is also one important statement so that the company has given. So completely all the OMCs also today we have seen a very good positive movement. HPCL followed by BPCL, significantly both of them are still continuing the uptrend. So now let's go to technical charts and we'll see what are the major levels on daily chart followed by weekly chart. Okay, so first let's start our discussion on weekly chart time frame. So once you see the weekly chart clearly, we can see a big red candle has been formed because of the dividend. When the exit date happens, we know 58 to 58 rupees downfall was present, and the stock nearly it has opened near the 436 rupees level. And simultaneously, the next week also we have seen a little bit of downtrend, and it has even gone to 412, 413 rupees also. So clearly, people who who are messaging me in Instagram regarding to this particular stock. I told to accumulate this particular company, especially for long term, and even for mid term also it may give some very good returns. So on that particular note itself, today because of the AGM, it was expected that it will start retracing, and today it has almost crossed the 425 rupees, and currently it is trading near the 428 rupees level. So the first resistance that we need to observe is going to be 430. Okay, so once it crosses 430, we have the 436, which is the 50-day exponential moving average. So after 436, we have 447, which is the 200-day. So this particular fall is a parabolic fall. So whenever this type of fall happens, so same way the stock also tries to go in the upside direction. So this is on weekly chart. So let's even have a discussion on daily chart time frame. Okay, so once you observe the daily chart very clearly, you can understand it has come below the 200-day exponential moving average. So after coming below the 200-day, obviously it is a bearish sign, and many people who have taken before the X date, so they will hold at least for 2 days, and after 2 days again the stock has given little bit of downfall. So after taking as very strong support near the 412 413 rupees region, the stock has started reversing. It has even gone above 420, but should we enter there? No. So it gave a second chance where the retest happened. So I tell you need to enter always near the retest. So when it has completed the retest, now again it has started its upside direction. So 440 in daily chart, definitely we may observe those particular levels. So if you're already invested and if you're planning to invest, so 425 would be the very good level, and near term targets would be 440 plus. So this is just in daily chart. So in weekly chart, there is a clear picture of upside direction, and the various updates related to disinvestment followed by infusing of 1 lakh crore would definitely make a positive statement for the company. And chairman also has given a very good point of view. So by March 2022, we will expect a strong move in BPCL. So long term bet would be great for this particular stock. So money flow index is near 36. So from almost overbought, it has not gone there, but in that range itself, it has started retracing, and definitely it will go in the upside direction. Okay. So supports are 420, 425, near term targets 440 plus. Okay. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.